she's snoring right now. But yeah, today is my first day of my vlog. Hey, I'm at work. But later I'm going to a barbecue for New Jersey. You know how it do. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Period. We getting ready for later. We gotta practice, you know, keep our knee strength right, keep our back strength right, all that. Hello everybody. We are on our way out. Some of us are ready.
You can kiss my
But yeah. Check out Bianca's
Is that G?
no.
Oh shit.
It's for my vlog. Hello everybody. We finally made it to the venue, but we have to walk a long way. I'm dying. I'm a little drunk, guys. Okay, bye.
Toot that thing up, mama, make it roll once you.
Period. This is Tim.
Hello.
We live from South Jersey.
It's hot as hell, real hot girl shit.
Period. Yes. This is
Like,
Sam.
comment, subscribe.
Yes. I'm drunk. Guys, I'm vlogging.
You vlogging right now?
No, you not.
You funny.
What's the fuck up, bitch?
It's been a day. Now we're eating checkers and it feels okay. She looks so crazy. That's wild. Look at that. Anyway, we out here in the dollar store. People really be wanting to vlog while I vlog, and I'm just like, get your own life. Yo, like, I really influenced this girl to do vlogs, and I never get I never get the props I deserve at the end of the day. That's crazy. It's hot and the hair store still ain't open, so I don't know what we're gonna do. We gotta walk back to Kane. I'm stressed. Joking, I got a car. I'm rich. Bye. Hey guys. So, oh my god, I'm so scared. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's this big, like, moving cart in the back of my truck that Bianca stole from the store.
Mary stole this cart.
It was Bianca's idea.
I said, you trying to steal this like a joke. This girl said, yeah, let's take it.
Now Karma got back to us and
We're returning it.
literally we're pulling into the storage unit right now because I will not deal with this. Like, literally, it's been rolling around. Oh my god. We forgot to vlog shopping again. Like, at this point, why do we do this? Why do we even vlog? Yo, they're looking at us like we stupid, but it's okay.
That's embarrassing.
God, I love chairs. I'm looking mad crazy today. I ain't bagging nobody today.
Don't we fall in love? Come with me.
Is Target about to close? It's freaking quiet.
Target closes at 10 o'clock.
Oh. I was this years old when I found out that smoke comes out the vent here in the microwave. Did you know that? That's crazy. I did not know that. Yeah, it's smoke in there.
Police! 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 Help! Police!
Okay, guys. So the craziest thing, random thing, just happened. As I'm doing my hair, I get an email from Curlfest, and they tell me that I've been selected to be a volunteer. And I really, really wanted to go, but I didn't want to pay, and none of my friends wanted to go. So now I'm definitely going. I just have to find a way how to get there. So that means I'm not spending any money.
Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Because I heard that Randall's Park is mad far. So I'm gonna need to spend money on a ticket and things like that. But yeah, I'm excited. I gotta figure out how to get there. But I'm excited. So I finally finished my passion twists. They came out really nice. And it was mad easy. It just took a little bit of time because I had other things to do. They're really light. They're so soft. Like, I don't know. I never had a style like this where it just didn't feel heavy on me. They're really, really long though, but shit. who cares? So I really recommend this hairstyle. Again, they're called Passion Swiss. I didn't do a video on them because, you know, it was my first time and I really wanted to see how it worked. But yeah, I did half my head is like mainly black and the other half is like a brownish thing. I don't know, I like how it looks, but yeah. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to bed, guys. I look crazy. See you later. Hey guys, so I just got off of work and I'm going to this production meeting for this organization that needs a videographer and a photographer. So I'm taking all my film equipment. It's raining. Let the rain fall down and wake my dreams. Let it wash away. I really just put a damper on my whole mood. But yeah, I'm a vlog today on what we do. Hopefully it's fun. Hopefully I don't get too wet from this rain. But yeah. So I'm walking to our meeting place now, and we're in like this court place, but it's really nice. Like, I've never seen this in North before. So I'm gonna go shopping after. It's really cool. Couldn't find my shades, so I got my visor. I just hate the way it makes my ears look like it makes them stick out. Whatever. Today was actually a really nice day today. I was walking back and forth today from building to building because nobody's in one building, so I had to do it. But yeah, it's actually a really nice day today. I really want to go to the beach. I think I'm gonna go to the beach for this party on August 18th. I really want to go to the beach and just wear my two-piece and be in the sun, you know. But we'll see how that goes. I'm walking to my truck so I can go to Panera. Guys, ew. I was in Starbucks for about an hour, and then Ori came to chill with me. I'll show you guys who Ori is. And then after that, I had a meeting with an actor because I'm doing a short film. And I just had my first read-through with one of my first actors. If you guys don't know it, I'm a film major and I'm applying to USC, and I need to have a film or something to show my talents. So I'm showing off my writing skills and my directing skills, a little bit of cinematography skills. I'm gonna put in a lot of hard work in this to make it really good. The story is really good, and I want the cinematography to not let the script down. So guys, this is Ori. She just turned 21. She thinks she's a baddie. She was supposed to hang out with me, but her friends came, so she's ditching me. It's fine.
I'm not. You know I'm not ditching you. I'm still staying with you. I'm still gonna bug you tonight.
You see? She goes out with her friends, and then she just comes with me so she could sleep in my room. A user!
I'm a user now, huh?
She's a user.
I'm a user now.
Guys, so I'm gonna start cooking. Hey guys, I look like somebody's mom. I did a really nice face mask, a tea tree face mask. I fixed some of my hair, and I've just been laying down just thinking about a lot of things and how I want to change my life for the better, how I want to start doing more positive affirmations, just thinking positive and not stressing so much. And since I use social media so much, I was like, I might as well use it in a way that is going to be better for me. So I'm kind of going through my Instagram and like unfollowing some things and looking up better things to follow. Like, I'm really into home makeovers, so I was like, it'd be cool on my Instagram since it's something that I'm into right now. But yeah, I want to start eating healthier. I just want to be better for myself, you know. I want to be better to myself and just be happy. And so I think a good part of that would just be, you know, taking it step by step and rewiring my mind to accept these new changes. And I feel as though it's gonna be a lot of me not hanging out with the same people that I was, and you know, getting out of my comfort zone. So yeah, but I think it's gonna be good. But I'm going to bed. Have a meeting at 11 tomorrow with another actor. I'm finally off work, guys, and I picked up these strangers. They said they were hungry, so I was like, might as well just like take them with me. This girl is Bianca. Yeah.
Oh, you almost there. You already know.
Morning, guys. I'm out here today. Well, I'm going to the store, but I'm out here today scouting, taking pictures for a short film so that I can better storyboard. So yeah, guys. Right now, whoa. So right now I'm eating. I made a croissant.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
With some egg. It was pretty good. Microwave egg. And then I went to the store. Getting pads and tampons was almost $20. Just not right. And especially to have it on a school store. Like, why is it so expensive if it's for, like, come on. Hey guys, so I forgot to film an outro to the vlog. So this is the outro. Thanks for watching my vlog. And stay tuned for next week's video. Bye.